Good afternoon, students. Chapter number 4, Computer Lab Rules and Etiquettes. Summary and exercise. Chapter pages 38 to 41. Today's learning pages 38 to 41. Information Technology Standard 5th. Let's see page number. Let's see page number 38. Chapter number 4, Computer Lab Rules and Etiquettes. Computer is an electronic machine and should be handled properly, otherwise it may broken, otherwise break down. To avoid this, we have to follow certain rule and etiquettes. So maximum students rules and etiquettes operate the computer under guidance of teacher. Know your computer and its peripherals well before using them. Do not remove or disconnect any cable. Do not bring outside CDs, floppies, pen drives without the permission of your teacher. Do not change the display settings of the monitor. Use the keyboard and mouse gently. Always move the mouse on the mouse pad. Do not insert any scrap or sharp object in CD or floppy drive. Do not eat or drink inside computer lab. Switch off the computer after you have finished working. Keep your area neat and clean, organized. Organized means everything is suitable place. Keep everything suitable place. Moral values also useful for us. Health precautions while using computer. Also see this. This is position while using computer. Technical precautions. Use UPS, otherwise you can say it also stabilizer for sudden power failure. Proper earthing. Essential for computers. It prevents us from getting shocks. Computer virus. Keep away computer virus from your computer. Computer virus is a small program which is infect computer by corrupting files and use the computer memory without known or knowledge. Virus enters computer while surfing the net or through emails as well as through infected floppies, CDs and pen drives. So antivirus program used for detect and remove virus from your computer system. On detecting virus, an antivirus program either remove virus or deletes the infected files from the computer. This type of antivirus program automatically loaded in the computer memory when the computer switched on and the infected file message is displayed on the screen. In order keep our computer free from viruses, we have to install antivirus program like Norton, AVG, IBM, Quick Hill, etc. We have regularly update the program so that we have the latest antivirus program installed. Latest antivirus program you have to install in your computer. So this is computer lab rules and etiquettes. Rules and etiquettes, moral values, health precautions and technical precautions used for file using computer. Okay, now exercise. Write any three lab rules, page number 38. So students, let's see page number 38. Where is 38? This is 38 page number. Lab rules, see this. You may write any three rules as you like. Like that, each and every questions answers have inside your lesson. So see this, write any three moral values, page number 38, answer available on page number 38. What happen if suddenly electricity goes off, page number, answer available on page number 39. See this, where is 39? See this, page number 39 and see this. Software may be adversely affected if there is a sudden power failure. Hardware may get permanently damaged while software may get corrupted. Okay, so this is the answer of that question. So see this. So like that, each and every questions have answer inside our lesson. So next question, what are the precautions taken while sitting in the front of the computer, page number 38 and 39, answer available on. Next, answer in one sentence, what is virus, answer available on page number 39. What is the use of UPS, page number 39. Some of the antivirus program, page number 40. Name, see this, name some of the antivirus programs. How does virus affect the computer, page number 39, answer available on page number 39. Fill in the blanks. Full form of the UPS, uninterrupted power supply. The monitor should be at distance how many feet? 2 feet. Blink your eyes often and look around to give the rest to the eyes. Do not change any computer settings. To detect the virus in a computer, antivirus program is used. State true or false. Always keep mouse on mouse pad. True. Computer virus is a hardware. False. Norton AVG are antivirus program. Yes. So this is the summary of page number 4, chapter number 4, computer lab etiquettes, rules and etiquettes, and question answer also. So I'll see you next video. Let me go now. Bye.